Yeah, good morning all. This is Krishna. So let me start about the Power BI demo. So Power BI is a powerful reporting tool, so which is used to build dynamic reports, interactive reports, and dashboards. Okay. So Power BI is not a single application. Okay. It's a combination of Power BI desktop, Power BI service, and Power BI mobile. Okay, and inside the Power BI service again we have two versions like Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium. So Power BI Pro is for single users and Power BI Premium is for multiple users. So let us explain what actually we will do in all these things, in all these three tools. Okay, and Power BI Desktop is a local application and can be installed free. It's a free tool. Okay, and Power BI Service is a cloud application which resides in websites. Okay, and first 2 months are free. Okay, now let us see what actually we will do inside the Power BI Desktop. Okay, let us start with Power BI Desktop. Okay, so first of all, why we came for Power BI is in order to build the beautiful reports. No, so inside the reports we show the data. So first of all, we need to fetch the data. Okay, for fetching the data, we will create the data source connections. Okay, so like it is the source is present in an SQL table, then we will create, we'll specify, okay, from which server and which database we need to pull the data. Okay, and later we will go and put place the data inside the data sets. Okay, and your customers might not give the data always. Your customers might not give you the clean data, so there may be a chance of present of junk data, like there is a chance of null values or blank values or any values, no? So before showing the data in the reports we need to clean the data. Okay, so we need to clean the junk data, and for that purpose we have the Power BI query editor. Okay, and similarly, if you want to append two sources data into a single source, then we have the append option is there, so which is equivalent to union option in SQL. And similarly, if you want to apply joins between the two sources, then we can go for merge option. Okay, and so many options, like we can remove the duplicate values, we can apply pivot and pivot, we can replace values, we can do the data type conversion. So many things we can do inside the Power BI desktop. Okay, and once you clean the data, suppose let us say if I want to add some calculated columns or derived columns, or if I want to write some formulas or some expressions, then we can go for and use the available DAX functions. Okay, data analysis expression functions. If you want to generate some rankings, okay, if you want to apply some aggregate functions, so many DAX functions are there, and we will take more than 24 sessions for DAX sessions or DAX functions only. Okay, and once the data is ready for reporting, so we will start building the visuals, creating the or designing the visuals charts. How many charts? We can have more than 25 different varieties of charts we can build inside the Power BI. Okay, and data we can pass parameters, and we have two types of parameters like query parameters and report level parameters. And again, in report level parameters, okay, we have three types of filters like visual level, page level, and report level. What is visual level filter means? Suppose let us say your page contains four charts. Let us say one line chart, column chart, bubble chart, shape chart, and you want to create a filter which should apply for only one visual. Okay, that filter should apply on only one visible, then you can go for visible level filters. And I want to create a filter which should apply for all the visibles present in that page, then I can go for page level filter. And let us say your project contains 20 pages report, okay, and you need to create a filter which should apply on all the 20 pages, then that is called as report level filters. Like this we can create parameters for our report. Okay, and your reports might be used by different region people, no? So let us say when your reports can be viewed by North American customers or Australia customers or Asia customers, like that. Okay, so I need to create the roles. Okay, so when a Asia customer is viewing my report, I should show him the only the Asia region sales data. If a North America customer is seeing my report, I should show him only the North America region sales data. Okay, so can I create roles and provide security for the data? Yes, we can do that inside the Power BI desktop. Okay, and once your data is ready, okay, now we have designed your reports in your local computer. Okay, now we want to show your reports to the customers. Then what we can do is we can publish our reports. Okay, where we can publish our reports to the Power BI service. Okay, now let us see that what else, what are the things we can do inside the Power BI service. Let us go to the next tab, Power BI service. So inside the Power BI service, first of all, so in your project, you are not only the single member, no? So there might be some team members. Suppose your other team members want to see your reports, or yourself want to see the other report, other developer reports. Then can we share our reports with our colleagues? Yes, we can share our reports with our colleagues along with the data sets. Along with the data also, we can share our reports with our colleagues. And can we share our reports with our customers? Yes. Okay, we can share it from inside the Power BI service. Okay, we can create a embedded URL link for the project. For our report project, we can create one embedded URL link and we can give that URL link to the customers. Okay, so they can see our reports by browsing that URL link. Okay, and can we create dashboards? Yes, from inside the Power BI service, we can create dashboard. What is a dashboard? So let us say I have a 20 pages report. Okay, so one of my customer is frequently viewing one table item inside the third page, which is present in the third page, and he is interested on one of the line chart which is present in the 10th page, and he is interested or frequently viewing one of the column chart which is present in the page number 20. Okay, so out of 20 pages report, he is interested in only three items. Okay, then what I can do is with those three items, I can create a dashboard. Okay, with those three items, I can create a dashboard, and instead of he going and viewing the entire report, entire 20-page report, he can directly go to the corresponding dashboard and he can see his favorite items. Okay, so that is called as a dashboard. And let us say you have developed some of the pages out of 20-page report, you have developed 4 pages, and your other team member has developed 3 pages. Okay, now before showing to the customer, we should bring them into a single project, no? So can we combine our report pages? Yes, we can combine our report pages into a single project. For that, we can create some application workspace as a common shared folder for all the report items. Okay, and we have created the roles in the Power BI desktop, no? So I want to do some user mapping to those roles. Okay, we can do that assignment of users to the roles from inside the Power BI service. Okay, and now let us say when the customers are seeing our reports, I should show them always the latest data, no? So when they are viewing the report today, I should show the data which is latest up to date. Okay, so how the reports will get the latest data? So for that we have a software inside the Power BI service called Data Gateway software is there. We have to install the Data Gateway software, and using that I can schedule the data refresher of the reports. Okay, and what else we can do from Power BI service? Can we access the data from external web links? Yes, we can do that. We can access the data. And can we arrange the reports to fit into the mobile layout? Yes. So your laptop screen size is different when compared with the mobile screen, no? And when you are viewing the reports from mobile, so let us say I have 5 items in my report. So out of these five items, which item, which chart I have to show in the top, which chart I have to show in the second line of the mobile, which chart I have to show in the third line of the mobile. So that mobile layout, I have to arrange the items to fit into the mobile layout. No? Can I do it from Power BI service? Yes, that also we can do from inside the Power BI service. Apart from that, so we can see the each report metrics information also means how many users has viewed the report, how many times they have used the report, they have viewed the report, all those history. So can we see all those things? Yes. Inside the Power BI service, we can do all those things. Okay. And we have one more application called Power BI mobile app. So we have a software called powerbimobile.com. Once you install in your mobiles, okay, we can access the reports. Okay, from your mobile, we can connect to the Power BI service and we can see our reports in your mobile. And from your mobile, you can share your reports through email or you can share your reports through WhatsApp also. Okay, so these are all the things we are going to explain in our Power BI classes. Okay, thank you guys for listening.